What's up guys, welcome back to the video. Yes, you saw the thumbnail right and you read the title correct, because now we have a new update and it could support all the way to firmware 9.0. Now guys, that also means 8.52, 8.50 and anything below that as well. Not just 8.00 or 8.03. Now we're talking about a whole range of firmwares that seem to be supported. Now before we get too excited, there are some information I need to go share with you guys, and let's go talk about it. So first up, I did post a video just about a day ago. However, I had to follow up with a comment mentioning, unfortunately Nagatoro posted, never mind, it's only for Safari, after running some tests. Looks like this WebKit only affects Apple iOS devices as of right now. However, we'll have to wait and see if there are any developments, and guys, there is developments. So apart from the previous vulnerability that we were talking about, it didn't really favor the PS4 scene as the comment I just posted in the previous video, but Alasif also tweeted on Twitter about another vulnerability that was released by Anonymous. Now we don't know who released this, but guys, this one definitely does work, and this works up to the most recent PS4 firmware 9.00 guys. Now there's also good news for anyone in 7.55 and below, because now this is a more stable WebKit exploit than the one we have right now. So guys, there's a lot more details in this particular link, and I'm going to drop this link in the description as well, so you guys can go check this out. So thanks to Naski, who has been doing a lot of testing in the background. Naski just posted a public link for them to go and test it out, which is exactly right over here. You can go and test the exploit on your particular PS4 on whichever firmware that you're on, as long as just to see if this exploit actually works on the web. So likewise, a lot of users have actually gone ahead and actually tested it out, guys. Several people have confirmed that the vulnerability does in fact reproduce on the PS4s up to firmware 8.52 included, right? So that's 8.52, but we've been having some reports that says that it is not working on the PS4s running at 9.00. So when some people tested it out, it did give not enough memory error, which is still actually a pretty good sign. So guys, this is really big news. It could potentially work on 9.00. So guys, even on the latest firmware, if you're on 9.00, so you still have a slight chance that this WebKit exploit will work for you. Just because there's a little hope that it might work, I would suggest you do not update at any cost. Wherever you are, please stay there. If you're on 8.00, just stay there. If you're on 8.03, stay there. Whatever firmware you're on, guys, just hold on there, and I would suggest you to wait, because once things get more solid, that's when we'll know for sure. If you want to go ahead and take a jump and then update your firmware just because you have a little hope, you might be disappointed, guys. So I suggest you to go ahead and not update at any cost. So now that we just have the WebKit exploit, there's a little hope towards this one. It doesn't mean we have a complete jailbreak. Now, there is still a kernel exploit necessary. It needs to be worked on and made available for us to go ahead and try it out. But guys, this is good news for all of us, even on a lower firmware, even on a higher firmware, basically all the firmwares until the latest one. But still, as mentioned, stay where you are, guys, because it's very important that you stay where you are. So guys, that is about it for this particular video. Just a quick video update again to mention what's actually happening and this update right now, which is really good news. Happy gaming, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers guys, take care, and bye bye.